I'll guide you through combining cellular data and Ethernet connections on your iPhone using Speedify. Make sure you have an active mobile data connection on your iPhone and that you have your cellular data turned on. Go to Settings and then Cellular and make sure the switch next to cellular data is on. In order to use an Ethernet connection on your iPhone, you'll need a compatible Ethernet adapter. So if your device has a USB-C port, you can use a USB-C Ethernet adapter or even a hub that includes an Ethernet port. If your device has a Lightning port, you can use either a Lightning to USB adapter in conjunction with a USB Ethernet adapter or just a dedicated Lightning to Ethernet adapter. Plug the adapter into your device and connect an Ethernet cable to it and then your router or modem. To double check your Ethernet connection is working, go to Settings and then Ethernet. Just note that on iOS devices, this menu is actually hidden unless there's a compatible Ethernet adapter detected. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify, either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the App Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform, across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. With Speedify, you're no longer limited to a single connection. You get extra speed, more bandwidth, and fewer interruptions for everything you do online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.